So I'm back. Like I said before, every film for me is very, very important. I put my heart and soul into it. I always feel maybe this is my last movie of my career, and that is how I want to perform. And every film for me is a platform to showcase my talent. I don't know which movie will take me where, or maybe nowhere. So I think when I was asked to do Climax, and knowing that it's a Silk story, everyone has a little hesitation, oh my god, in South should I do that? Because when Silk did it, there was a lot of hangama created, and any which ways I'm always in all controversies here, so should I be doing or no? And I think luckily when I met Anil sir, and the moment the way he explained things to me, and the moment he started shooting, I think I got that confidence that no, this is definitely going to be a film which I will be proud of in future. And I think generally my intuitions are not that great, I'm always wrong, but I think with this I was right. And today when I see the film, I'm very happy. We all have worked very hard, it's a team effort, I would say, and whatever work I have done, or whatever contribution, small little contribution I've given to the movie, I thank my director and everyone who's helped me to perform so good. So the film is going to be out soon. I hope you people enjoy the film, love the movie, and we also hope that we've not hurt anyone's sentiment through this movie, as it's a very sensitive issue again. So it is made for everyone. I hope you all enjoy the film. Thank you. Yes, I have, of course, because when we started shooting, I used to keep googling about Silk, see her pictures, see her song, what kind of expression she gives, because I have done glamorous work before, but I cannot do this expressions what she does. So of course I had to see that how she portrays and how is the body language for me to get that little to make my work easy, to be very honest. So I used to see her references. I would just say that at that point of time it was a great loss when Silk. I think a lot of people have different opinion about her death. There are two things which people keep saying. One film showed that she suicided. The other one shows that she got murdered. Even I don't know what happened to her. But both the ways I feel sorry. Whether it was done with her own wish or by someone else, I think I can only say that I feel sorry for her. I don't think I will ever face such problem, because I feel I'm a very strong person myself. I'm a very strong lady. I do not believe or depend on any men in my life for future. I don't think I will have someone who can make me go to that level where I will give my precious life because of some men. I'm sorry, I'm not from that category. I think a men will suicide for me, not me.
Okay, Sana. Madam, the dialogue, Nadia and Tramay and the Podada, Kurdish at the Paduma, the dialogue, or Nadia, placing at the Manana.
I think this is not a dialogue which is not known to the industry or any actress. It is a very, like how we say hi, bye, this dialogue is like that. So I didn't find anything that thing that, oh my god, I've never heard this before. So I don't know, I am not that type of a person. I don't know if I would relate to that otherwise. But being in cinema, I think a lot of such dialogues happen, and at times some people do reply back the way I have replied in the movies. So there are people like that.
Madam, cinema la cast coaching irukku accept panikirீங்களா?
Casting couch, I think yes, I do feel that it does exist. I'm sure because the whole world is talking about it, there has to be some truth to it. But then, to be very honest, if I say that, people are not going to believe it, but I would just say that it is not with everyone and in every case, but to each its own. How you want to be an actress and what level you want to go, how fast or how slow you want to go, that is your choice. So I think everything is on your choice, how you work.
ஹீரோக்களோட ஹீரோயினா நடிச்சீங்க. இப்படி ஹீரோயின் ஓரியன்டட் சப்ஜெக்ட்ல நடிக்கணும்ன்ற முடிவு உங்களுக்கு காரணம்?
As an actor, I feel you can't decide everything. I never thought that I would get something like this, a woman-oriented, especially such a great character. Where, I mean, if you talk about Silk, I think she's dead so many years back, but till today we are talking about her. What can be more powerful than this about a person? And after so many years, people still want to see what was, after knowing everything about her. The whole press has written so many things about Silk, but even the press is curious to see what Silk has done in her life. So I think you guys are also so curious to see what happened in her life, even though you all have written thousands of stories on her. So I think I have always been doing a lot of commercial movies, but when I got a chance like this, I thought I should grab it. Why not? And there are hardly any films which are made on any superstar's biography. We don't have any superstars where we want to remake a film. I cannot play a Mahatma Gandhi for sure. So I have to play a Silk. So I think I've got an opportunity to do that. I'm very happy. Of course I've seen. I have seen. It's been a super duper hit. She's got a national award and she's a wonderful actress. And being an actress, I look up to such great actresses. I want to learn something from them. And I don't, like we all say, it's half true, half false, the movie Dirty Picture. But whatever it was, I think as an audience I enjoyed watching it.
Director sir, Silkoda வாழ்க்கை வந்து ஒரு திறந்த புத்தகம் மாதிரி. அதெல்லாம் 100% சீக்ரெட்.
നേരിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിനൊരു ബാൻ വരും, സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ. യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? If we make it in a real way, the people will, otherwise the court will ban this picture. That's why we are making it in a secret.
கமர்ஷியல்காக நடிச்சீங்களா இல்ல ஒரு நடிகைக்கு எடுத்துக்காட்டா நடிச்சீங்களா?
I think it's both. To be an example for an actress, you need to do commercial movies nowadays. People don't want to come and see a film which has a lot of crying and which is very subject oriented. A lot of people want to see commercial films, and when I play a part of a commercial personality, so I want the film to do commercially well, because I think every director and producer should get their dues. I mean, the money should obviously come back, so the film has to be commercial. And I want people to see another side of Sana. People have seen few films of mine and they have been judged. They judged me. People always judge actor by their movies. So I think Silk will be a good film for me when people will judge me as a good actress and I think a good performer. So I think it should be something like that.
ஷனாகர், சில்கோட கோஸ்ட் வந்து உங்களை த்ரெட்டன் பண்ணுன்னு பயப்படுறீங்களா? நான் இமேஜினா நடிச்சுக்கலாம், அவங்கள வந்து கிண்டலுக்கு இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். படத்துல கோஸ்ட் வந்து த்ரெட்டன் பண்ணா நீங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க?
அவங்க ஆவி நேரில் வந்தோன்னா நீங்க என்ன பேசுவீங்க?
சில்க் கோஸ்ட் வந்து வாட் அபவுட் ஸ்பீக்?
No. Silk's ghost had come to me and she said, "Very good, you've done a fantastic job. I'm proud of you." And she said, "Keep doing such work. I'm glad that there are such people who are still keeping my name so up, and I feel proud sitting here in heaven."
மேடம், ஹிந்தியில என்ட்ரி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க, தமிழ் ஃபீல்டு தொடர்ந்து தமிழ்ல பண்ணுங்க.
See, I cannot compare languages. Every cinema is different, every actor is different. Hindi, I would just say, it's my language. I know the language, so I have a command on my scene, which at times I lose when I do a language which I don't know. But I have worked equally hard, whether it is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. So for me, language is not a barrier. I love acting, whether it is any language.